black train coming down the line, feeding off the souls of the lost and crying. Rails of sin, only evil remain. Watch out, brother, for that long black train. To the heaven, you can look to the sky. You can find redemption staring back into your eyes. There is protection, there is peace the same. Burning your ticket for that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. Engineer on that long black train, making you wonder, is the ride worth the pain? He's just waiting on your heart to say, let me ride on that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Oh, cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. I can hear the whistle from a mile away. It sounds so good, but I must stay away. That train is a beauty, making everybody stare. But the only destination is the middle of nowhere. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Oh, cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. I said cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. Yeah, watch out, brother, for that long black train. The devil is driving that long black